Hello. To set up voicemail greetings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you will have to go into the phone application and from here go into the keypad actually, and simply as you press and hold the one number right here, you will be calling your voicemail. But in case it is not working for some reason, as you are in this phone application, you have to press these three dots on the top right corner and go into the settings and scroll down a little bit. Right here we have the voicemail settings. As you go in there, check if there is the voicemail number available actually. If there is no number right here, you will have to contact with your provider or maybe find out in the internet basically what's the phone number for the voicemail of your provider. Basically, yeah. And if you know the number currently, you can simply input this number right here or put it into the settings and simply call it. And what you will have to do next is simply follow the prompts which the bot will give you, and you will have to navigate using the numbers right like this. And first of all, if you're doing it for the first time, you will have to input the password to your voicemail actually, and from then you will be able to actually set up the voicemail greetings. And yeah, it's pretty much simple. You'll just have to follow the prompts which the bot gives you, and it might actually vary depending on the provider which you have, but in most cases it is pretty simple and all the instructions are given by the bot itself when trying to set up the voicemail, when calling the voicemail actually. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching.